Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is in God's hands. You landed in the big one's hands, the creator's hands. Allow yourself to be molded, changed. Those certain personality or attributes or certain things that or old characteristics that cannot be taken from your old life into your new life. This is what we're molding. As you've changed, embrace that. You're going to be tried with new tests, actually old tests, to see if you're going to react the same way. I want you to be able to be your higher self. Be your best version of yourself, because so many people are watching you, and once they see the best example of you being your best version and getting your better blessings, that means that they'll actually mimic that and believe that it can be done. You're the standard. My trust in life is implicit. God's greater knowing and greatest love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady and I remain true to my light. Everything folds according to God's plan and timing. You're in the right place, right time, in the right hands. And as we say on this page, when you land in God's hands, ask those extracurricular questions that most people don't think of sort of sustaining or maintaining, or asking for the things that you truly want, because not only are you're in their hands, you have their ears. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.